Hi there, friends! I'm so excited to take you on a fantastic journey today. Are you ready to learn all about our amazing home planet? It's called Earth, and it's full of wonders. Let's dive right in. Did you know Earth is the third planet from the Sun? That's right. There are two planets before us, but what makes Earth super special is that it's the only place we know that has life, just like you and me and all the animals and plants we see around us. Now, let's talk about a day on Earth. It lasts about 23.9 hours. That's almost 24 hours, which makes up one whole day and night. And guess what? It takes Earth 365.25 days to go all the way around the Sun. That's what we call a year. Earth is not too big, not too small, it's just right. It's the fifth largest planet in our solar system and a bit bigger than Venus, which is our neighbor. The cool part? Earth has lots of water, which is super important because all living things need water to survive. Speaking of living, Earth is the perfect spot for life because it has the right mix of water, air, and warmth. Not too hot, not too cold. And there's more. Earth has a special shield called the atmosphere. It keeps us safe from the sun's hot rays and some tiny space rocks called meteoroids. Oh, and do you know about the North and South poles? They are the very top and bottom of Earth. Our planet spins around an imaginary line that goes from the North Pole to the South Pole. This spinning is why we have day and night. Now, here's something super cool. Earth has a friend in space called the Moon. It's our natural satellite and it helps control the ocean tides. The Moon is like Earth's buddy, always hanging around with us. So Earth is not just our home, it's a very interesting place with lots of special features that make it perfect for all of us to live on. And guess what? You can help take care of our planet too. By learning and discovering new things, you can help make Earth even better. Before we say goodbye, don't forget to subscribe to Beat Lab Kids TV. There's a lot more to discover, and I don't want you to miss any of our fun adventures. See you next time, explorer friends. Keep being curious and keep loving our wonderful Earth.